Print on demand is a business model where products are produced only after an order is received from a customer. This model is commonly used in the publishing and merchandise industries. Today, we will explain the print-on-demand business model through Printify. Printify is a platform that enables individuals and businesses to create and sell custom-designed merchandise online without having to invest in inventory or equipment. It connects users with a network of print-on-demand manufacturers who produce and ship products directly to customers on behalf of the sellers. Today, in our lesson, we will focus on designing the product. In this class, we will choose a product and design it. In this part, we specify the parameters according to our preferences and search for the product. For example, we determine parameters such as product format, target country for sales, price range, and so on. After selecting the product according to the parameters, we can start the design process. First, we need to have a clearer understanding of which product we want. In this section, we get to know the parameters of the selected product more closely. For example, its price, supplier's address, delivery date, product colors, sizes, etc. We can get acquainted with the details of the delivery process more closely from here. We can find a lot of information about the parameters of the product. Now, let's start designing the product. We can design the product in two formats. The first method is to add our own logo or design, and the second way is to create a new design using AI. Today, we will do both. After adding our own design, we can determine the parameters of the product in this section. We specify the size of the background, the length and width of the design, its placement, rotation, scale, etc. We need to be careful in this section because these points affect the appearance of the product. In the print-on-demand business, the parameters governing the design applied to the product are crucial. These parameters encompass various aspects, such as the dimensions of the background, the length and width of the design, its precise placement, rotation angle, scaling options, and more. Each of these factors significantly influences the overall appearance and appeal of the product to customers, making meticulous attention to detail essential in this process. Determining the colors of the product is one of the most important factors. This is something that cannot be forgotten. Once we've completed all the tasks, it's time to review the design we've created. In the preview section, we can examine the design we've prepared. In this section, we can see our work in a clearer format. We can view the product from the right, left, front, and different designs. Additionally, we can review it in various colors. In this section, we can view the design we've prepared in a 3D format. Viewing the design in 3D format offers several benefits. Firstly, it provides a more realistic and immersive experience, allowing for a better understanding of how the product will appear in real life. Additionally, it enables us to assess the design from different angles and perspectives, ensuring that all aspects are carefully considered and optimized. Furthermore, 3D viewing allows for easier identification of any potential issues or areas for improvement, ultimately leading to a higher quality final product. Finally, we review the product one last time before putting it up for sale. Once we are sure about all factors, such as price, size, design, color, delivery details, etc., we proceed to launch the product. Designing products with AI on the Printify platform represents a groundbreaking fusion of technology and creativity, empowering users to craft truly unique and personalized merchandise effortlessly. At the heart of this innovative approach lies the seamless integration of artificial intelligence, which serves as a powerful toolset for unleashing creativity. With AI-driven features, users can explore a vast array of design options, from bold graphics to subtle embellishments, all with unparalleled ease and precision. One of the standout features of AI on Printify is its ability to generate intelligent design suggestions based on user preferences and trends. By analyzing patterns and understanding design aesthetics, the AI engine can provide valuable insights and recommendations, sparking inspiration and guiding users towards creating eye-catching and on-trend products. Moreover, the predictive capabilities of AI streamline the design process, allowing users to experiment with different elements and layouts in real time. This dynamic feedback loop not only accelerates the creation process, but also fosters a sense of exploration and discovery as users refine their designs to perfection. Another remarkable aspect of AI-powered design on Printify is its adaptability to individual preferences and brand identities. Whether it's customizing typography, manipulating images, or fine-tuning color schemes, the intuitive AI tools enable users to express their unique style and brand ethos with precision and authenticity. In essence, AI-powered design on the Printify platform represents a revolution in personalized merchandise creation, offering limitless possibilities for expression and innovation. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, users can unlock their creative potential and redefine the way they engage with their audience, one unique design at a time. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel to stay informed about innovations in the world of e-commerce. Discover the e-commerce world with us.